Frank.
Show her, show her. Here. She hasn't eaten all day.
I know you're upset. You're not the only one anymore.
She's not an only child anymore.
Shush. This has really upset you, hasn't it? This has upset you greatly. You don't know what to do. You're not happy with it, though.
Frank? I know. Give him some of that food that's underneath there. In the package.
This?
Yeah. Put it in that other...
bowl? You mean the whole thing?
Yeah. Right there. That bowl. Oh, he knows. Buddy.
Wait, which bowl?
Right there in front of you.
There.
Nom. See, having a puppy is a good thing, Frank. Yeah. Yeah, that's disgusting. Frank eating. He's not going to want to get close to that dish. Oh well.